This is my fake JBL boombox speaker that I haven't used for a while, so I will be upgrading it. The speakers, the amplifier board and the battery will be replaced. The only thing I will be using from the fake JBL is obviously the enclosure and the passive radiators. I won't be showing you the teardown because I have already shown you guys on a different video, but if you haven't seen that one, I will put the link to that teardown video in the description. These are the new 3-inch speakers that I'll be using. I ordered them from China and I paid around $24 for them. These are 15-watt speakers, so they're a bit stronger than the old ones. It looks good, and it feels good as well. But before we continue, please consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy content like this. The battery I am using in this project is a 1S 12.6-volt battery pack. The amplifier being used is called the XYP 15-watt Bluetooth amplifier board. I haven't connected the control buttons yet, because I just wanted to experiment first if this amplifier is best for these speaker drivers. Anyways, here is the sound test, and let me know in the comments what you think about these new upgrades.